Welcome back students to the second video of production management. Now in this video, first we are going to discuss about the various factors affecting the design of a product. Usually the design engineers consider the following factors which are very highly influencing the design of the product. Let us look into one by one what are those influences. The first one is the customer's requirements and the psychological effect. The design engineer must ascertain the basic requirements and the psychology of customers. He evaluates the extent to which customers' needs are satisfied in the product. For this, the engineer develops a questionnaire keeping in mind the marketing and the economic aspects along with the psychology and the need of the customers. Now the second influencing factor is the functionality. The design should have a proper balance between the beauty and utility of the product. The third one is the facility to the operator. Now, this involves identifying various facilities available to the operator of a machine. The design engineer should also ensure that the operator is provided with all comforts and no unnecessary movements to the operator. Now, the fourth important influencing factor is the materials. The nature of the material used for the proposed product must be kept in mind about the taste of the customers and preference of the customers. Now the fifth one, work method and equipments. A design engineer must be aware of latest developments in the work method and the equipments used. He should also keep in mind the changes in the cost of production if any modification in the work method and equipment if it is carried out. Sixth influence factor is the cost to price ratio. Cost is an important factor influencing the design of a product. In competitive market, the design engineer is given only the unit cost per figure to carry out a design. Now the next one is the quality policy, or the seventh influencing factor is the quality policy. Quality of design reflects a quality of a product. Now the quality of the design is usually fixed at corporate level. Now, these are the 7 major influencing factors regarding the factors in the design of a product. Now next is an important topic. What are the stages in the product design? So we are gradually moving to the next part of the topic, which says about what are the various stages in the product design. Usually there are 6 major stages in product design. They are conception stage, acceptance stage, execution stage, evaluation stage, translation stage, and finally pre-production stage. Let us look into one by one what it is. First one is the conception stage. Now this is the first and very important stage in product design. Now in this stage, a draft specification is prepared by the marketing department in consultation with the design department. Now what the specification includes? This specification includes performance requirements, esteem requirements, reliability and maintainability requirements, price limitations, delivery requirements, estimated quantity of the product. Now the second important stage is acceptance stage. The draft specification which was prepared in the first stage is scrutinized at the stage for its viability. Now usually various methods are used for scrutinizing its viability. It includes, like for example, using model making, preliminary drawings, etc. Now based on the outcome of this viability test, specifications are accepted and it is taken to the next stage, or it is rejected if viability is not there. Now acceptance of product specification for small projects is taken in a meeting between the design department and marketing department, and acceptance of specifications for complex projects is carried out in the design department as a backroom function by the design engineers and draftsmen. Now the third step is execution stage. Now usually this execution stage is considered to be as a time consuming stage, and this stage is where there is a conversion of a selected proposal into a physical embodiment. The first physical embodiment of a new product is considered to be as a model prototype. Now usually more than one prototype is prepared, and a critical analysis of this prototype may bring out limitations and deficiencies in this product. Though technical and appearance aspect plays a major role in execution stage, the cost of the final product is also considered here and it is not ignored. Now the fourth stage is evaluation and review of the design. Now usually evaluation and review of the design is carried out by personnels combinedly from finance departments, manufacturing department, marketing department and service department to achieve its optimal design. A system concept is developed with questions. And the fifth stage is the translation stage. This is concerned with conversion of a design into a form that is convenient for production department to manufacture the product. At this stage, production and service departments are involved in design work, discuss various manufacturing problems, and design reviews are done to overcome all the manufacturing difficulties that they usually face. And further, blueprints, drawings, diagrams and material list are prepared for development work. Along with this, a detailed estimate of cost is also prepared for each component, and for the components, if the cost is excessive or more, design reviews are again done. Now the last stage, or the seventh stage, is pre-production stage. At the end of above stages, a pilot production is carried out. This is carried out usually to check its design, specification, production technique and tools, etc. Now pre-production brings out open and hidden deficiencies of design and specification from manufacturing side. Pilot run helps to further study about market acceptance of product. On successful completion of pilot run, the drawings are finalized and designs are frozen. Now with this, we come to the end of this video 2 on the process of this design. Thank you.